life cycle of a bean plant. Materials we will be using: Watch Me Grow bag, beans, paper towel, soil, water, tape. You can use crayons, markers. I will be using color pencils. And our life cycle of a bean plant color sheet. I will be using 2 bags. In my first bag, I'm adding soil. It's another word for dirt. One bean. And it needs to be covered in dirt. Put it all the way underneath. Now we need water. And close it up. In my second bag, instead of the dirt, I will be using a paper towel. And it needs to be wet. Now add the beans and fold the paper towel 3 times and half. Put it inside the bag and close it up. Now find a window and using your tape, tape your bag on the window. Remember, plants need water and light from Mr. Sun to grow. Now let's color our bean plant book. After you're done coloring your book, ask Mom or Dad to please help you fold it. Now let's read our book, Life Cycle of a Bean Plant. First, there is a small bean. We put it in soil and water it. Soon, a small root grows out of the bean. Next, we see a stem, leaves, and flowers grow above the ground. The flowers become pods filled with beans. The end. In about 3 days, your seeds will start to pop open and sprout. Please send me pictures.